Hey everyone. So, today was pretty much, well, for the Skoolie, a waste because there was a special NK field research task in Pokemon Go today from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. I thought it ended at 1 for a second, and then I was like, oh. And yeah, I got 3 shiny NKs, and now that you just turn your phone upside down like it is right now, and I'm going to evolve this one. Hold on, I'll show you. It actually looks pretty cool. I'm pretty happy about it. Hey, so if you guys didn't notice last episode, that and that was down because I just took them off because they were starting to bend a little bit more than I wanted, because humidity and just the weight of itself with them just sitting in the 3M suction clips that I had right here to hold them, they just started bending. So $20 later, and I have frames for both of these now, Mystery Science Theater and Christiania. And I'll put them back later because all I really have to do is just get a decent screw, a decent sized head screw to put right here, so that'll be held, and put right there, so that'll be held. And they can move a little bit, but yeah, I think that'll be pretty good. As soon as I got to the front to turn the light off so I wasn't wasting any power, I just had the urge, like I usually do. I had to finish it, so I just went ahead and got from the back here those small little hex head screws, and they worked beautifully. And I just need to honestly probably put like 1 or 2 trim nails so it just not grips, but makes it so it can't grip too much and go one way or the other moving wise. But honestly, that's pretty good, I think. Yeah. Finally, I went grocery shopping again. All this all in one trip. Most of it's cans, so yeah, it helps out on basically having power. Good morning, everyone. So today's been an excessively productive day. Yeah, excessively productive. I finally got a check. Well, because I'm still alive, I got a check for something that I was owed. And all my debt and everything is paid off completely. So now all I'm doing is saving up for a car hauling trailer and a tow hitch and new tires. And then I'm saving up to have a safety bank, and then we'll see where I can go. Hey again, everyone. So me and Ranger just went shopping. He's actually happy we're finally back. Yeah, so we left at like 8 a.m. and we were out, and it's like 11:45 right now. But what I've gotten is some more paracord. I got orange this time. Yeah. I got a lot of like just stickers, like traveling and stuff like that, just because why not, honestly. I got another Alpina. I got a bus sticker too. I ripped it off the other one because, yeah, why even? Yeah. Also, I finally got a treasure chest with treasure already in it. It's just a little miniature. It was only like $2, so whatever. I got another Alpina kit for exterior and everything, so I might add it to my car, or I don't know, figure out something with the Skoolie. We'll see. And I also got another one of these very big and nice waterproof cases that I can just put stuff in. And also, I got 4 packs of AAA rechargeable batteries, because I only had like 6, I think, before. So getting, I don't know, 12 is a pretty good thing. And I got some storm-proof matches and everything, because they were like $2. And just as a spare, I got a spare little cheap Zippo lighter, because why not? And finally, going to Starbucks enough, I got this for free. And it's just water in there right now, but you know, that works pretty well. And it's metal, so that's pretty decent. All right, I'm gonna go put everything up. Oh, real quick, before I put everything up, I also, one of my biggest things was I found this Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild Switch case for my Switch, so I don't have to worry about it, the screen getting cracked and basically me just losing it at all. Oh, and as some people may have seen, I did make a sign for myself. JT Aren't on YouTube. And it even has it on the other side too. And that works really well, I think. All right, he wants me to go ahead and turn the AC on and get inside because it's above 80 degrees right now, so that's what we're gonna do. I'll see you guys maybe later. So I know this week's been very, well, just blech, really. But I have been thinking about something, and I haven't mentioned it at all. But what I've been thinking about, you'll see in a second. So, hey again, everyone. I basically, with using Occam's razor theory, the easiest solution to figure out something is to get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. And that's what I've done. Real quick, Ranger, come here. I'll show you guys how easy it is for me to basically to build a mount for Ranger's POV. So this is how easy it is. I just use the mount, the Manfrotto mount that honestly is the best, and now that's perfect. I really like this. Yeah. All right, so here's a time lapse of me and Ranger doing a little walk as a test. Hey everyone again. So I'm talking to you in the dark now because I got this lighter that is older than me, definitely, from my grandmother. Yeah, I got it to work again. I had to put a new wick in, do some other stuff, and basically trim the flint that I could find, trim it into the correct shape that this works now. So I'm really happy about that. And here, you can see it. It's a very small little lighter. I'm happy about that. I just found out Queen Elizabeth II just died today. She was 1926 to 2022, so she made it 96 years. That's 70 years that she was the Queen of England. Wow. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna call it the end of the episode. And also, I did finally get my drone fixed after something happened to it. So, for the whole end of this episode, here's some drone video of downtown Raleigh at night.